Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Becky. I have yet another product review for you. Real Techniques powder sponge. And this is not new, but it's new to me because I've been out of the makeup game for quite some time because I just had a baby 9 months ago. So I didn't just have a baby, but you know, it's been a long time for me. I'm just now, you know, discovering all these new products and it's so exciting. Go to the YouTube page and watch Nick. Nick is the one that seems to do the product tutorials. Here are the claims. Revolutionary foam technology paired with velvety material for evenly blended powder. Okay. Seamlessly apply setting powder, bronzer, highlight, and blush powders for a flawless finish. It says rounded side for blending, flat edge for baking, pointy tip for coverage. Use damp or dry with powders. Okay. When I was watching the video, she dampened it and it gave her a dewier finish with the powder, which I prefer. When the powders kind of like melt into your skin, I feel like it looks more natural. She used the sponge dry. You could see the coat of setting powder. So there was like a white cast over her. Of course, she went in there and like blended it. So after seeing that, personally, I'm gonna go dampen. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go dampen the sponge. Well, first I gotta take it out. Hold on. I'm so cold out. Pretty. Ooh, it feels good. Sorry. Remember I told you last time I'm kind of weird. It's just, this is me. I'm being myself, I promise. All right, so I dampened my beauty sponge. It's huge. Look at that thing. Okay, so I have all of my products here that I want to use as far as setting powders, bronzers, cream bronzers, because it promised all these things, and blush. Look at that. So apparently you can apply all these products with this one sponge. So we'll see. What should I start with? We're gonna go in with setting powder because I put on, obviously I have some makeup on. This is a loose powder. It's the Hourglass. So we'll see how it works. That's a lot. I don't like to use a whole lot of setting powder under my eyes because I feel like it just sets into my lines and it makes me look old. I'm not young, but I don't want to look old. So I applied it there right there on this side. It looks really good. All right, now this side. For the nose. I mean, it's at the flat areas for baking. I mean, it's pretty large. I don't know, maybe right here, but you can do the same thing with the tip. You can bake with the tip as well. I'm using this because I want to bake right in between here. I'll go in with the flat area, I guess, to get some. Do the chin. And then I probably should have done the cream first. I'm telling you, I need to get back in the game. It's been a while. It's been a while since I have. Just kidding, I'm not gonna go there. Oh God, that's so embarrassing. What is that, Nickelback? I don't even know. Oh my gosh, it makes me want to listen to that song. I'm going in with the flat edge. I just did the baking powder. Now it says you can use a cream, so I'm gonna go with my cream bronzer. I'm going with this side right here, and I'm gonna go in with a flat top, press it in. Nope, I'm going to rake. That's a lot. I'm just gonna pat first. Whoa, look at that. Go high up. Oh man, that's pretty dark. No? That looks good. So I'm gonna pat it first and then I'm gonna brush it off. Pat, 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 and then brush. There's the forehead. Looks really good. It looks really good. I'm loving this makeup right now. I swear I'm not fooling myself. All right, so I'm gonna go with the Becca broken too. I don't like a ton of blush. Start up here. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm so annoyed with myself right now. I put on way too much blush. This blush is very pigmented, so you have to be careful with it. I normally, when I use a brush, it's like I pat it so lightly. I'm just like, that's more like it. Lastly, we're going in with the highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills I'm Resi highlighter. Picking up the highlighter. Yes, I'm that type of person who puts it all over the forehead. Oh, I wish I could see this. It just totally came out. Oh, today's not my day with makeup. We're gonna place it right back in. Oh. Here I go again, doing too much. Highlighter. This highlighter has never been this blinding, I promise you. Here are my final thoughts. I just want to show this side because this is the good side. Because I was a little heavy-handed with the blush on this side, as you can see. It doesn't look that drastic in natural lighting. I have my ring light on right now. Pro number one, I was able to apply this many products with just one applicator. That is cream, setting powder, bronzing powder, and highlighter. I mean, seriously, that's crazy. And it's done such an amazing job. Look at that. We're not gonna look at this side again. We're just gonna focus on this side. You have the choice whether to have a matte finish or a dewy finish based on a powder sponge. That is so cool to me. And because of this velvety coating over it, you can dampen it and it won't ruin your pressed powders. The last pro that I can think of is that you don't have to have any brushes handy when it comes to baking. You just press the powder in and then you brush it away with this velvety coating. I'm trying to think of some cons right now. I genuinely am, just so I don't seem so one-sided. I don't have any. It truly is a miracle powder sponge. I give it 5 stars. I mean, it has really replaced so many makeup applicators that I use on a daily basis. Oh God, I wish I would have bought this sooner. I'm so serious. And it's so cheap. I'm not huge on powders because I feel like I like the dewy look. I'm still able to accomplish that with all these powders. Beforehand, I was thinking, gosh, I still don't have my setting spray and I'm just not accomplishing the makeup look that I want. I don't have to go out and buy it now. You have to go get this, and I wholeheartedly 100% mean it. So that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Think happy thoughts. I'm out of here. See y'all later. Bye.